Ooh, double. All right, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the big rock out again. And I put the 2.8 Badlands on there with 17mm hexes. I actually went and just got the Tyhpon hexes because I really like them. And my son's out here messing around with his little 1/18 scale Tyhpon. So I got the big ramp out. Oh! Well, that was not really what I wanted to do right out the gate. Did I lose that wheelie bar? Nope, still on. All held together with my zip ties. Oh yeah, everything's gonna be all muddy. It's had a ton of rain, but it's getting late fall. I didn't want to not come out here when we had a nice day. Whoa! Oh my gosh! This is the first time I've used this big rock on this ramp. I was not expecting that. Oh! That slipper clutch has a delay in the power. I think I've rebuilt these slipper clutches 3 or 4 times and they just never stay set for me. I can see it's already loose. That was good. Ooh, double. Oh! That was almost a triple. Oh! So I think I've got this thing where I want it. Drives good. Ooh, missed the ramp. About to say jumps good, but I missed the ramp completely. Oh! Nice! Singles pretty easily as far as landing it. Double's a little bit harder to land. Oh, that's it. LVC.